Hello, today we'll talk about use Windows winX4 to capture data and save to CSV file. Then you can use Excel to open it. The first time you choose IP client and enter the IP address and port, press connect button. If this was done last time, you only need select IP client and press connect. Then next, press capture data button. You will ask your file name. In this case, I use one.csv. You can choose whatever you like, but it should be .csv. Press open. When the scale send data, it will show on the screen. After you're done all the capture, you press close capture button. Then you could open this. You found this file and open this by Excel. You can see the date, time, gross weight, net weight, tail weight, and net weight. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.